In today's extremely competitive retail world, firms must value good customer relationships. Understanding customer preferences, purchasing history, and providing personalized experiences are critical for developing loyalty and increasing repeat sales. Recognizing the importance of client management, Shopify POS provides a complete set of capabilities that enable retailers to successfully manage and communicate with their customer base. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of customer management within Shopify POS, as well as how it enables shops to build great experiences that keep consumers coming back. Comprehensive customer profiles. The ability to construct detailed customer profiles is a fundamental benefit of Shopify POS customer management. Retailers can collect and preserve relevant customer information such as contact information, purchase history, and preferences. These profiles act as a single hub of customer data, allowing businesses to get comprehensive insights into their customers' actions and interests. Retailers may personalize interactions and tailor offerings to individual interests by having a 360-degree view of each customer. They can anticipate client wants, offer appropriate products, and provide a more personalized shopping experience. This level of personalization increases consumer engagement, loyalty, and satisfaction. Purchase history and order management. The customer management tools of Shopify POS give sellers with a detailed view of each customer's purchase history and order details. Retailers may readily access information such as prior purchases, order dates, and transaction values. This enables retailers to deliver individualized recommendations, cross-sell or upsell comparable products, and provide superior customer service. The ability to track and handle orders within the customer management system improves operational efficiency. Retailers can see the status of each order, manage delivery, and handle customer inquiries or returns more effectively. This simplifies the order management process and offers a consistent customer experience from purchase to delivery. Marketing and personalized offers. With customer management in Shopify POS, retailers can take advantage of tailored offers and targeted marketing efforts. Retailers can build and send tailored promotions, discounts, or loyalty benefits directly to specific customers by exploiting the customer data held within the system. Customers respond more strongly to personalized offerings because they feel valued and understood by the brand. Retailers may enhance conversion and repeat business by personalizing incentives to consumers' unique tastes and purchasing history. Furthermore, tailored marketing efforts based on customer categories or behavioral data can increase engagement, strengthen brand loyalty, and maximize marketing spend. CRM integration and customer insights. The customer management features of Shopify POS effortlessly interface with customer relationship management products, allowing shops to access sophisticated insights and analytics. Retailers may integrate client data from several touchpoints, such as online and offline sales channels, email marketing campaigns, and customer support contacts by integrating with popular CRM systems. This integration allows businesses to acquire a comprehensive perspective of customer behavior and preferences, allowing them to develop more effective marketing tactics and personalized experiences. Retailers can use data analytics to maximize their sales and marketing operations by analyzing customer data, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Furthermore, customer insights gathered through CRM integration can be used to guide product development, inventory management, and customer service initiatives. Retailers may discover new trends, uncover customer pain spots, and anticipate customer demands. This proactive approach assists organizations in staying ahead of the competition and building a loyal consumer base.